Well, in an election that defied predictions and reignited fashion, Donald Trump has emerged as the 47th President of the United States. Love him or hate him, his victory is worth remembering. An extraordinary comeback fueled by innovative strategies, tech savvy campaigning, and the undying support of millions. Here's what made it possible for Donald Trump. Trump has won and is the 47th President of the United States of America. Whether you like him or not, this is a victory for those who campaigned for him. The good thing about choices is that we all have them and we all have the opportunity to choose. Your choice is your choice, their choice is their choice, my choice is my choice. What's going on in the world right now is that change is not always a bad thing. Change can become a good thing as well. No matter which side of the political spectrum you stand and you come from, remember to fight together for the good of this world. Whatever you think of him, it is one of the biggest comebacks in history. And why? His marketing was simple yet effective. He pulled on people's current heartstrings rather than past strings. He utilized influencers and those with clout like Elon Musk and Joe Rogan. He chose a young, energetic running mate who appealed to younger voters. The campaign utilized all types of modern AI technology that was relentless. He had never given up on several issues, regardless of what people said or how they made him feel. You may not like him or agree with his policies, but the figure speaks for themselves. We can all disagree, but remember that love conquers all. So therefore, let's love one another regardless, no matter where you stand politically. Trump's victory highlights the power of modern campaigning. Donald Trump also visited a McDonald's outlet making French fries as part of his election campaign. And it reminds us that change was challenging when he was shot during campaign rally, and I think he had already won at that time. Such changes often sparks transformation, and in these divided times, let's keep our connections strong, choosing empathy over division, working towards a future built on understanding and empathy is extremely important.